Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you all are doing well. So let's see today's problem, paths from root with a specified sum. So we will be given a binary tree, okay? And what we want to return is we want to return all the paths starting from root, okay? Whose sum is equivalent to the given sum, okay? Whose sum is equal to the given sum. So what are the all the possible paths are? So 10, 28. 10 plus 28 is 38, and another path would be 10, 13, and 15. Okay. So if you see 15 plus 13, 28, 28 plus 10, 38. Okay. So these are the two paths we have to return. Okay. So the path should start from root. Okay. So let's see the intuition, what it will be. Okay. So what we'll do is we will we'll do the processing in the pre-order traversal. Okay. So for example, we'll have one variable current sum. Current sum will initially be initialized with 0, and we'll have a list, okay, which will be path called path. Okay. And what we'll do is first we will iterate through this node, and what we'll do, we'll include in the current sum. Okay, we'll include in the current sum. We'll also take the path, right? We'll also include this 10 in the current path. Okay, and we'll check if current sum, right, equal to sum or not. If it is sum, we'll have one list of list or vector of vector. Okay, vector of vector as answer. Okay, this is the final result. Okay, so if current sum equal to sum, then what we'll simply do is answer dot add, right, or push, right? Answer dot add or push, whatever it is. So we'll simply add this path. Okay, we'll simply add this path. But currently the sum is 10, and which is not equal to the given sum. Okay, so we won't do anything. Okay, so now then we'll go to what? We'll go to the left subtree. First we'll go to the left subtree of the root, and then to the right subtree of the root. So first we'll go to the left subtree of the root, and we'll encounter this 28, right? So we'll include in the current sum. Okay, 10 plus 28, now it will be 38. Okay, 38. And what we'll also do, we'll add this 28 in the path. And now we'll check if current sum equal to sum or not. If yes, it is this time, because 38, sum is 38, right? And we'll add this answer, this path into the answer variable. Okay, so what it will be, the path will be 10 and 28. Okay, now then once done, we'll go to the left child, right, of 28. Now it is null, it will return null. And then we'll go to the right child of 28, it will return null. So then, and then once this is done, right, so we'll go to the parent again. Okay, we'll go to the parent again. Okay, and when we go to the parent again, what we'll do, we will simply remove this 28th. Okay, let's maintain path over here. Okay, now what we've done, we have removed 28, right? So path will contain only 10. Okay, path will contain only 10 now. Once we go from the current node to the parent, we will remove the last element from the basically this element, right? Whatever is element, we'll remove that from the path. Okay, as we are moving away from that. Okay, and then what we'll do, we'll go to the right subtree now. Okay, 10th, 13. Okay, now once we go from parent to child, so from child to parent, anyways, this current sum also will be deducted. So what it was, so 10 to 20, so it will be 10 now. 38 minus 28, it will be 10 now. Okay, it will be 10 now. Now we'll go to 13, right? Now once we go to 13, what we'll do, we'll add, okay, 13 to the current sum, which will turn out to be 23. And we'll also add 13 in the path. Okay, okay. Now what we'll do, now we'll check again this condition, right? We'll check this condition. So if current sum equal to sum or not. No, it is not. 23 is the current sum, and the given sum is 38. So we won't do anything. We'll go to the left subtree of 13. Okay, to 14 now. Okay, to 14 we went. What we'll do, we'll add 14 to the current sum. Okay, what it is, for 23 plus 14 is 3 and 7, 37, right? 37. Okay, okay. Now also we'll include 14 in the path. Now we'll again check whether current sum is equal to given sum or not, right? Given sum or not. No, it is not. So we won't do anything. We'll move on to the left subtree of 14. Okay, so again we'll do the same thing. We'll add, right? We'll add 21 to 37. So what it will be, 58, right? 58. We'll now check again. We'll now check what is if current sum is equal to sum or not. No, definitely not. Then we won't do anything, right? We'll go to the left subtree. Again, it will return null. Okay, and then we'll go to the right subtree of 21. It will again return null. Okay, now what we'll do, we will return to 14. But when we return to 14, no, earlier when we came to 21, we need to add this 21, right? So here, so when we go to 14, back to 14, right? So we will remove the, okay, this 21, okay, from path. Now 21 is removed. Also, right? Also this 21, right? This 21, the current sum will again be, will also like deduct this 21, right? So it will be what? It will be 37. Okay, it will be 37. For example, it will be 37, right? 58 is gone. 58 is gone. Now it will be 37. Okay. The call stack will take care of this, right? Okay. So it will be 37. Now, once you have come from 21, we'll go to 22, right? 22, and we'll add 22, right? To 37. What it will be? 59, right? 22, 59. Okay, and we'll include 22 as well in the path. Now we'll check here if current sum, this condition, right? It won't match because it is 59. Okay, so simply what we'll do, we won't do anything. We'll go to the left. Again, we'll return null. We'll go to the right child of it, we'll return null, right? So then we'll go to the, back to the parent, right? We'll go back to the parent, and what it will be? Now we will remove this 22 from the path. Okay, remove this 22 from the path we have removed, and also this 22 will be deducted. Okay, so this 22 is deducted, right? Now we go from 14 to 13. Okay, we go from 14 to 13. So now we'll also remove this 14 from the path, right? We'll remove 14 from the path. See, we'll remove 14 from the path as we are going to the parent, to 13, right? To 13, and also we'll remove this, right? 37. So 14 will be deducted from 37, right? So we get 23 again. Now we'll go to 15. Okay, so we'll add 15 to 13, right? 38 we got, and we'll also include 15 in this, right? Now we'll check this part. We'll check this part whether current sum equal to, yes, it is, because the current sum is 38, right? Which equals to the given sum. We'll add this path into answer. So what it will be? 10, 13, and 15, right? 10, 13, and 15. Okay. So now we'll similarly what we'll do, now we'll go to the left subtree of 23. Okay, and then we'll include, okay, we'll include let's have current sum here, right? So so 38 plus 23, what it will be? 48, 58, and 61, right? 61. Okay, and 61, yes, right, 61. And path will be what? Path will have 10, 13, 15, and 23, right? 10, 13, 15, and 23. So we'll check again. No, it does not match. So we won't do anything. We'll go to the left subtree of 23. Then we'll return null. Right subtree will return null. Right. And then we will go to parent as well. We'll return to parent as well. So when we're going to the parent, we'll remove this 23, right, from the current sum, which will be 38 again. And we'll remove this from the path. Right. We'll go to 24 now, and we'll add 24 to 38. So what it will be? 48, 58, 62. Right. 62, and we'll add to the sum 24, right? Similarly, then we'll check current sum, right? It does not match, so we'll return. We'll keep on returning, right? And we'll remove this path, this 62 to be 38 again. Now it will be stack unwinding. We'll go up, right? And finally we'll have two paths only. We'll have two paths only. Okay, so this is the intuition. Let's see the code now. So the code is here. So let's explain the Java code first, right? So as I said, it will be starting from here. So we'll have a path, right? As I said, an answer, a list of list, it will be list of list. And then we are calling this function, right? What we are doing here is, see, this is a given sum we are passing, root we are passing. The current sum is 0 currently. We are passing the path, right? This path we are passing here, and answer. Okay, and answer we are passing. Okay, and we are checking here if the current node, right? The current node, if it is null, simply return. And then we are sum so far, right? Current sum, whatever that is, current sum. Okay, so we are adding that, we are adding the path, and we are checking here if it is equal. If it is, then we are adding the path to the answer. Okay, if then we are going to the left subtree, right? We are going to the right subtree, and then we are removing that last element, right? That last element from the path. Okay, and this sum so far, right? In the stack unwinding itself, it will detect the current sum, right? It will detect the current sums in the stack unwinding. Okay, so this is the Java code. Let's submit it. Yes, it is accepted. Similarly, we have C++ code here as well. Not much difference, right? We have asterisk over here, right? So we are starting with vector int of path, vector of vector answer, right? And then sum so far will be 0. We are passing all this variables, and then similarly sum so far we are adding, right, with the current node value, and we are pushing the current node value to the path, right? Here we are checking if it equals, then we are pushing to answer, and we are pressing the left subtree, the right subtree, and then we are popping out the last element, right, from the path. So yes, so this is solution. I hope you've got the solution. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. You have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.